Good morning everyone. Today I am going to show you some practicals on MS Excel. The first thing is that the meaning of MS Excel is spreadsheet package. You can see in my mobile there is one icon. The name of the icon is Excel. I downloaded one icon from the Play Store. Means you can use MS Excel in your mobile phone also. Generally you are using MS Excel in your computer, but you can use in mobile. So just let's see, I will start the MS Excel. So when you open that MS Excel, this type of page will come in front of you. If you'll see, if I'll click these all small box, if you'll see, these all boxes are called as cells. CELL cell. Okay, so this is one cell, this is also one cell. The beautiful thing in MS Excel is what? That all the cells have their own name. For example, the name of this cell is B and 11. You can see from top to bottom is called as column, and from left to right it is called as row. So from top to bottom it is B and the row is what? 11. So the name of the cell is what? B11. If I will click here, the name of the cell is what? C19. This one D5. Correct now? That means D is the name of the column and 5 is the name of the row. Now let's see, one more thing is there. On the top if you see, that is FX written on the screen. And the meaning of FX is formula bar. That white space is called as formula bar, where we can write the formula. I am writing two formulas. I am going to explain you three formulas. Okay now, so just I am writing. Now to write in MS Excel cell, we need to do double click. So I am doing double click. Now see, this type of cursor will come. So I am typing there. First I will write equals to, very important, and then I will write NOW, the first formula which I learned when I started MS Excel. Okay now, equals to now, and then small brackets are there, and press enter key. You will get something. What is that? That is today's date and today's time. Okay now, that is depending upon your mobile setting or laptop setting or computer setting, that what time is mentioned over there. Now this is 10:38 and that is 24 hours timing is showing here, and the date is what? 10 second. That is showing like that. First it is day, then it is month, and then year. The day is what? The day is the second one is day, first one is month. That means 10th is the name of the month, 2 is the today's the date, that is 2 second day, and 2020 is the year. The next formula which I am going to show you, that is again I am writing here. So I have to write equals to, and then I will write TODAY, today, and then I will use small brackets and I will press enter key. So you see 10 to 2020, that means that is showing the date only. Correct now? So today is the formula to find out today's date, and now is the formula to find out the date as well as time. You can see when I will tap on the particular result, you can see on the formula bar that is mentioned equals to today on the top, you see. Okay, just as normal cell, if I'll click, that is invisible, but when I will click on the particular output, then the formula is showing on the top. You see, I will click on that. Yes, that is B14. Now see here the formula whatever written by me, that is equals, and then now small bracket. Small bracket is also called as parenthesis. Small bracket is also called as parenthesis. Now this third formula I am going to write. I am going to find out the sum of two numbers. So I am writing here. So to write I need to do double click. I am doing double click. Now I am entering two numbers. I am writing here 17, the first number, enter key. Now I am writing here one more number, 4. Okay, now enter key. Now I need to find the sum of the two numbers in this cell. The cell number is D6. Okay, now D6. Now see, double click on that. Now I am writing the formula to find the sum. Equals to, then I have to write the formula SUM. Then I have to give one small bracket. Now the thing is what, I need to select the things which we need to find the sum. Now see here, I selected both the cells, that is D4 and D5. I just drag the mouse. You can mention also, but I drag the mouse and I will press enter key. See, the result is 21. If I'll click on the result, you see the formula on the top, equals to sum D4 and then colon is there, then D5. Means from the cell number D4 to D5 we are finding the sum, the meaning of that particular line. Okay, so we learned three formulas today, that is now formula, then we learned today is one of the formula, and one more formula is the sum. Okay, and what we learned, that is the cell names, that is the cell names are like that, that is column, row, whatever, these all things we learned. And now this top one is called as formula bar. There are some shortcuts which we will discuss during the online classes. And the extension of a Excel file is what, .xls, correct now, .xls, correct, that is showing that the file is of Excel. Generally the MS Excel files are of in green color, that is the color of the icon is green, correct now. So this is the first video, this is for the beginners. So just I hope you all will understand. Comment if you have any doubt. Thank you very much everyone. Have a nice day.